Today we have the 2019 Volvo S90. This vehicle has done just under 60,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access applications on our first page. This includes our download center, driver performance, and vehicle status. On the second page, we have our main features, such as navigation, Bluetooth, smartphone integration, and again, our vehicle status. On the final page is our car functions. This includes park assist, roadside information, speed sign assist, and our collision avoidance. If we press here, we can access our climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our drive mode button, we can switch between our 3 different driving modes: eco for efficient drive, comfort for everyday use, and dynamic for high performance. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.